Let's embark on a journey to understand project management. A project is a temporary endeavor with a defined beginning and end. Its goal is to create a unique product, service, or result. Imagine a bakery. Baking a custom cake is a project. Daily bread baking is an operation. Think of a space program with projects like launching a satellite. The project lifecycle outlines phases from start to finish. The project lifecycle can be compared to human development stages. It progresses through initiating, planning, executing, and closing phases. These phases can be customized based on the project's complexity. Some projects might need additional phases. For example, a feasibility study phase might be included. This helps assess viability and make informed decisions. Phases are not always linear and may require revisiting. This cyclical nature allows flexibility and adaptation. Think of building a house. Initiating involves deciding to build and defining the project. Planning includes blueprints, budget, and timelines. Executing involves construction and procuring materials. Closing involves inspection, handing over keys and payments. While the project lifecycle provides the structural framework, project management processes drive the project forward. Defined by the Project Management Institute, PMI, they include initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. These processes are iterative and often overlap. Monitoring and controlling are ongoing activities. This ensures the project stays on track. Imagine baking a cake. Initiating is deciding on the cake type and gathering ingredients. Planning is following the recipe and preheating the oven. Executing is mixing and baking. Monitoring is checking the cake. Closing is frosting and serving. Section 4. Initiating and planning a project. Initiating and planning are the foundational phases of any project. They set the stage for success by defining the project's objectives, scope, and approach. During initiation, a project charter is developed, which serves as the project's constitution. It outlines the project's purpose, objectives, scope, stakeholders, and high-level requirements. Identifying stakeholders is crucial during initiation. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who are impacted by the project or can influence its outcomes. They can include the project sponsor, customers, team members, suppliers, and even government agencies. Analyzing stakeholders based on their power, interest, and influence helps in developing effective communication and engagement strategies. Planning is where the project's blueprint is created. This phase answers three fundamental questions: what, when, and how much. What refers to defining the project scope, deliverables, and requirements. When focus is on developing a schedule, outlining key milestones, and establishing a timeline. How much deals with estimating costs, securing resources, and creating a budget. Section 5. Executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing a project. With a solid plan in place, the project transitions into the execution phase. This is where the rubber meets the road, and the project team works to bring the plan to life. This phase involves managing resources, coordinating tasks, communicating progress, and addressing any challenges that arise. Monitoring and controlling are ongoing processes throughout the project's life cycle, ensuring the project stays on course. This involves tracking progress against the plan, identifying variances, and taking corrective actions to address deviations. Tools like Earned Value Management, or EVM, provide insights into the project's performance and help make informed decisions. Closing is the final phase of the project lifecycle, marking its formal completion. This involves handing over deliverables to the customer, documenting lessons learned, releasing resources, and celebrating successes. Proper closure ensures a smooth transition and provides valuable insights for future projects.